everyone, and welcome back again to Amway Laundry. My name is Michelle and I'm employed at Amway Brisbane. Now, last episode we spoke about using the SA8 Delicate in hand washing. We're still hand washing today, but we've moved over to the SA8 Liquid Concentrated Laundry Detergent. I have two items of clothing with me today. The first one is my white t-shirt, and as you can see there's foundation around the neck, and yes, you guessed it, guilty as charged. I took it off while I still had my face on, and this is the consequence, but we will be looking at that very shortly. Now, the other item is a man's white business shirt. Now, the said owner of this shirt was eating a meat pie. I do not know what flavour that filling was, but he did tell me it was very tasty indeed. He put a huge dollop of tomato sauce on his pie, and as he was devouring that pie, gravity got hold of that tomato sauce, and look what it did. It fell down the front. He did scrape off all those chunky thick bits, but this is what's remaining. Now, with all nasty stains, we need to address them straight away. That's ideal, but sometimes we can't. But what we can do is be prepared in our laundry, and it's all about preparation, and Amway have all those wonderful products in our arsenal to address nasty stains. Now, the first item we're going to be using to address those nasty stains is the SA8 Pre-wash Spray. And I'm going to be spraying 15 to 20 centimeters away from the foundation stain on my t-shirt. So here we go, everyone. I'm going to give it a really good blasting.
Oh, this is a practice, isn't it?
No. So that's all done. I'm now going to address that nasty tomato sauce. Now, my advice is for you to stand back, okay? Because I'm going to give that stain a run for its money. It's going to wish it never fell off that meat pie. So here we go, everyone. I'm going to saturate it. There it is. Now, with the SA8 pre-wash, it has to sit for 1 minute. Now, we're not going to let it dry, so we're just going to speed along 1 minute, Nicole. Now, over here I have a container with 10 litres of cool water. This is my SA8 liquid laundry detergent, and for this amount of water I need 10 mils, which is 2 teaspoons, or half a cap full of the solution. I'm just going to pour it in, and you'll notice it's blue. I'm going to pick up my items of clothing and I'm going to put them in because 1 minute has been and gone. Here goes the shirt. Now with this, my hands are going to be agitating, and I'm going to be putting some elbow grease in, because this is what hand washing is all about. I've got to get stuck into those stains. Now where's that shirt of mine? Here it is. And now we're going to continue on putting that elbow grease in. And I must say it's looking quite good, but what we need to do at this stage is to bring up out of the water and have a look and see if there's any little residues of foundation. Oh, I can see a little one there, so I'm going to dunk it back in. And we're not going to take any hostages now. We're going to just make sure we eradicate that foundation stain. Oh, that's looking lovely. Now I'm just going to have a look at that shirt with that big tomato sauce stain. Did I get it out? Did I get it out? Yes, I did. Wonderful. Very quick indeed. Now, if I was at home in my laundry, I would need to rinse. And I would take them out of here and run them under the tap, rinsing through with cold water, but I'm not in my laundry, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze the water out. I can wring this because they're not delicates. And I'm going to now place over here in this container with clean water, and it's another squeeze, another wring. Get out as much water as you can, those SA8 soapy suds, and over into the clean water. I'm just going to use my hands to do my rinsing. And of course we've got the BioQuest formula inside of our SA8 liquid laundry detergent, which means no residues left behind and everything's all squeaky clean. Great. Now, it's rinsed out. I'm just going to give it another squeeze. I can wring it out, get as much water out as I can. Now, if you were at home, you can actually put your washing machine on a spin. So that looks good. I'm just going to squeeze this one out now. I'm sure the owner of this shirt will be tickled pink that it's all lovely and pristine and white again. Ready for another meat pie, I suppose, at another later date, or perhaps you might be eating a hamburger next time and some beetroot came out and left a nasty stain. Now, a tip for you with two-wear items of clothing. If you're going to hang them out on the clothesline with your pegs, pegs can cause havoc on your clothes, especially with knits. If you hang them up on the shoulders, you will get nasty peaky bits. If you hang your t-shirt up by the armpits, you could get these dimpled, crush sort of peaky bits in this area. Or if you hang them upside down by the bottom of your t-shirt, you'll get some really long peaky bits, and that's not a good look. What I do at home to protect the integrity of my clothes is I have soft padded silky coat hangers, and this is what I do at home. And I can put this on my clothesline just like this, hang it over the line, and it will dry perfectly. I get no peaky stretchy bits, reduces my ironing, everything falls down, and there you go. My washing is done. Now, if you would like to purchase the SA8 or the liquid laundry detergent, you can do so by going online. You can choose click and collect and select your local business centre, very important, or we will ship from our warehouse to your home. I hope you have enjoyed this episode on hand washing, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.